Your home should feel calm, clean, and easy to live in. But sometimes, clutter takes over and makes everything feel stressful. Today, let's fix that. Here are 10 clever home organization ideas that can help you turn chaos into calm and make your home look like it came straight out of a magazine. Let's start with idea number 1, use vertical space. We often forget that walls are perfect for storage. Add floating shelves above desks, doors, or even behind the bathroom door. Hang hooks for bags, towels, or hats. In the kitchen, use a pegboard to hold utensils and pans. By going vertical, you free up floor space and create room to breathe. Next, idea number 2, drawer dividers are your best friend. We all know that one messy drawer that becomes a black hole for random stuff. Drawer dividers instantly fix that. They help you group items like chargers, keys, or makeup brushes neatly. Try bamboo or clear acrylic dividers. They look elegant and keep everything visible. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Moving to idea number 3, use clear bins and labels. Clear bins make it easy to see what's inside without opening every box. They're perfect for the pantry, fridge, or under the sink. Add simple labels like snacks, cleaning, or winter clothes. This small habit saves time and keeps your home looking tidy all year round. Idea number 4, create a drop zone near your entryway. The entryway is where clutter begins. Shoes, bags, mail, everything piles up here. So set up a small bench with baskets or hooks. Make it a habit to drop your shoes in one place and hang your bag right away. Keeps dirt out and order in. Your mornings will feel smoother, too. Next, idea number 5, use furniture with hidden storage. Think ottomans that open up, beds with drawers underneath, or coffee tables with shelves. Hidden storage helps small homes stay neat without sacrificing style. It's the secret weapon of every organized home. Stylish on the outside, smart on the inside. Let's talk about idea number 6, rotate and declutter seasonally. Every few months, check your closets, drawers, and kitchen shelves. Ask yourself, do I still use this? If not, donate or store it. Keep only what you truly need and love. Decluttering regularly prevents buildup and keeps your home light and fresh. Idea number 7, create zones for everything. Whether it's your kitchen, office, or closet, divide your space into zones. For example, in the kitchen, have a baking zone, a snack zone, and a cooking zone. In the office, keep separate spots for paperwork and tech. Zoning makes it easier to find things and helps everyone in the family stay organized. Now, idea number 8, use baskets for quick cleanups. Baskets are perfect for tossing toys, magazines, or throw blankets. Keep one in every room. When guests arrive or you just want to tidy up fast, grab the basket and clear the clutter. Plus, woven baskets add warmth and texture to your decor. Idea number 9, maximize closet space. Closets can hold more than you think. Add extra rods for hanging clothes at different heights. Use slim hangers to save space. Hang organizers for shoes or accessories. And if you can, install lighting. It makes everything look more organized instantly. When your closet looks good, getting dressed becomes easier and more fun. Finally, idea number 10, develop a 5-minute daily reset routine. At the end of each day, spend just 5 minutes putting things back where they belong. Wipe down counters, fluff pillows, and fold blankets. It may sound small, but this simple ritual keeps your home consistently clean and peaceful. It's like pressing a reset button for your space and your mind. Organization